At Mobility Solutions, it's finally here, and we are up to our necks in the all-new Carryon HD 220 fold-flat travel mobility scooter. With a weight capacity of 400 pounds, this is the first of its type in this weight class. And guys, when I said we are up to our necks in GB220s, I mean we really are up to our necks in GB220s.
Hey, I'm Chris from Mobility Solutions, CarryonUSA.com. CarryonUSA.com is a point director to the Carryon page. Guys, I have the brand new GB220. Just came here today. Couple days late, but it's here. We're super excited about this. If you're looking for a fold-up scooter that can hold up to 400 pounds. Now, I don't really suggest you maxing out any weight capacity of any unit, but they've made some big changes compared to the 120. Not saying the 120 is not the best fit for you, and I'm not saying these are the best scooters for you, but this scooter has been a very popular unit that people love because of how you can leverage load into a vehicle. And before we shot our video, we had a guy come in here and buy one almost on the spot. So really cool to see that. Here it is. This is an unboxing video. There will be many other videos we're going to shoot. Super simple to unbox if it's like the GB120. So let me get into it. We're going to cut the tape. You can use your household scissors. I have a really nice knife that a customer gave to me, and now this is what the inside of the box looks like, and it's packaged very well. Now when you order from us, if you decide to go with blue, we're going to put the shrouds on so you don't have to do that, but they do come with a red and a blue shroud, but we will switch the shrouds out if you decide to go with blue. So we do a little bit different here at Mobility Solution. CarryonUSA.com. Here is the manual. The manual will have your serial number. It will also give you a warning guide, important to make sure you charge the batteries, and tells you what to do. So keep this manual. You'll also get a charger. It'll be in this box. We'll go over the charger. You're going to get a flag. If you want to use it, you can. It is kind of high, and we'll show you where that goes, but you can just use this side of the flag. You'll get a bottle holder. You'll also get a cane holder. You'll get a set of keys, so you have a main key and a spare key. It's all right there. We'll show you how that goes on. Now go ahead and remove this styrofoam. Currently, this unit is 76 pounds, so it is a little heavy when it comes in. Make sure you can handle that. I don't really suggest a white glove delivery unless you just want that. You should be able to take this out the box or have someone help you to get started. We're going to go ahead and remove this seat. Now this seat without the armrest is only 15 pounds, so it's a little bit heavier than the standard GB120 seat, but it's a lot thicker and more padded. So if you're looking for something you can be on longer periods of time, this seat has been much improved. I do like how you can remove the arms if you don't need the arms, and you can also widen the arms out to up to 20 inches between the arms, which you couldn't do that with the old GB120. There's a little chart pocket at the back for extra little storage. Here it is right there. Now when you add the arms, it's going to be about 20 pounds. Without the arms, about 15 pounds. We got some rain coming. All right, so now I'm going to come in here and take the scooter out. I'm going to go ahead and bring this tiller up, and I'm going to bring the kickstand up, and I'm going to pull it straight out. Now right now with the battery, it's about 55 pounds, but just remember, leverage load. So hopefully you watch more of our videos on this unit. Comes with a basket. Oh, this is a little tough, but here's the arms. Let's get that out. And guess what Golden has done? They're giving you a spare battery for free. This is up to 7 miles to make your distance of this unit up to 22 miles. Now there's variables to get that full distance. Both of these batteries are TSA approved. This is basically a gift from Golden and from us to y'all. I love that they're doing that. This box is very nice, by the way. When you get this unit in, you're going to push this button to release the battery. You're going to want to put this battery on the charger for 12 hours. It said that in your manual. We'll get this fully charged up with the charger that it comes with. Now it's only going to come with one battery charger. So after you get done charging the long range battery up to 14 miles, then you're going to charge the TSA battery, or you can wait to charge your spare battery another day. But make sure you give it that full initial 12-hour charge. So you're getting two batteries with this unit, the 12.5 amp hour and a 6.5 amp hour. They're both TSA batteries. Here's your charger. What I love about the Carryon is that you can actually charge the battery away from the scooter. That's really important if you wanted to leave this in your car and just carry this inside. This is about 5 pounds. So we're gonna get that on the charger, and then you're gonna see a label back here. You're gonna need to come in here, remove these thumb screws. Here is your fuse. There's 2 fuses in here. You only need one, and you're gonna move it right over. Now, just take your time with this. You can actually bring this seat down so it's out your way, and you're gonna wanna get it right in there, and then you're gonna put this back. But before you do that, just let me point this out to you. This is your flash codes. This tells you what can be wrong with your unit. If you can't get a hold of somebody, if you don't have your manual, and it's giving you an error code, it's underneath here that can tell you what's wrong. It could be as simple as it in free will to the charger still plugged in. Pull this up. Back here is your kickstand extra handle. Now you could put your spare battery here just to have it. You can also put it back in that chart pocket. And this is your free wheel. So if you want to roll it with the battery in the unit, you just click it on this eye, and whenever you want to operate it, you put it in the 0. So this is kind of like putting your car in neutral or drive. The basket is a fold-up basket. There's a little clip that you press to release it, and just pull it right out and drop it on the front. Before you do that, you need to add your bottle holder and your cane holder. Obviously, if you don't need these, don't add them, but they do come with it. So open the little bag with the bottle holder. It's right here, and the cane holder right here. And here's your keys. And then here's your spare key. So you take that spare key off, use this as your primary key. They're going to give you a little tool to add the bottle holder. Now, if you have your own Allen keys, then use them if you want to. This does take a minute because this thing is kind of small, but all you do is you back these screws out like so. And if you want it on the right side, you just come back in and add it on the right side. Or the left side. It can go either way. So this will take a little bit of time, but you'll be so excited that the time will just fly right by. All right, so grab the seat. And it's just going to drop right onto here. And it automatically kind of latches there for you. Same thing, when you take it off, you got to release this. So you're just dropping it right onto this post. So, new design with the armrest. You will have to play around with this, just so you know. But you don't need them on here unless you want them. But if you are putting them on, you'll see that there's, you see this right here and how it's empty on this side. You can see how this is designed. So you don't want to come into it like this or back. You want to get this to come right here. So just come right here, and you can move it all the way over, or you can extend it out if you want to. But you do need to allow this to kind of loosen up a little bit. And that's how you fold it down, so you get right in the middle. So there's two adjustments, or to remove it, just off. So you just play around with that. You'll have to get used to the arms. It is what it is. I do like them. Same as the other side. You know, you'll know what, you can't put this one over there. So just get it here. So right now, all the way in, this is 18 inches. Oh, let's make it 19 inches. Just come out on this one all the way across, 19 inches. Let's make it 20. Take the other one, move it all the way out, bring it down 20 inches between the arms. If you don't need the armrest, just pull them right off. If you need to fold the armrest down, come from the nearest point out a little bit, and then it comes down just like so. But just make sure it's locked. All right, so if you just got your GB220, or if you are looking to buy the GB220, well, we just showed you how to unbox the brand new GB220. We think you're really going to like this unit. If you have questions, just give us a call at 803-926-2224, or visit us online at carryonyusa.com. And again, you might not need the 220. The 120 might be the perfect fit for you. So just let us know. We'll talk to you and tell you why you would want to jump up to the 220. I think you're going to love it. It's got the lights. It's got cell phone charger, adjustable tiller, and it folds down for easy leverage loading into a vehicle, usually best for small compact cars or lower SUVs. And if you want to know more about this unit, please follow us. We're going to have a lot of videos about this unit, outside comparison and specs, different videos that I think you might like. So if you're not in a hurry to buy a mobility scooter, watch our videos on this unit. Or if you are in a hurry, give us a call. We'll ship one out to you today.
Thanks for watching today's video, and don't forget,
if you're looking to finance something, we're offering 0% interest, 3, 6, up to 12 months on purchases, which is really cool, and it's very easy to do. So we offer it with Bread Pay.
and we have a full-length video on our channel on how to use it. Go check it out. Make sure to come back to our shop videos where we do full unboxings and much more. So like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.